Hi, mathematicians. This week we are working on K.N.1.5, and that tells us that we're going to count forward with and without objects in organized and random arrangements up to 10. This is going to be real easy for you. So make sure you keep practicing counting from 1 to 10, and if you have 1 to 10 down, start practicing counting from 10 to 20. I know we're getting big numbers here. So look at this first one. How many blocks do we have there? 2. What's next? 3. You have a blank space. How many is in this last one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what goes between 3 and 4? 3 and 5. I kind of told you the answer there, didn't I? Yeah. So what is that number? You want to write it down? It is 4. Yeah. How could we draw that? Let's see. I have a shape here to draw a box, so we can do 1. Ooh, that's really big. We can do 1, 2, 3, 4. My boxes are not very good. I bet your boxes are much better. Okay, so I did that one for you. Get your whiteboard out, and we're going to do the next one. So if you don't have your whiteboard with you, pause the video and go grab your whiteboard. Okay. So we have 4 in this one. What about this next one? Look, what are these jackets or hoodies? We have 1, 2, 3. We have a blank one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many jackets would we draw here? Yeah, 4 again. Good. So you can write the number 4. I want you to practice writing, remember. So practice writing your number 4. But you can have some fun with it and draw 4 jackets too if you want. Okay. Let's look at this next one. Look at these next two, number 3 and number 4. So you're going to do these ones on your own. So pause the video. You're going to do number 3 on your own, count the rubber duckies, and you can either draw the amount of rubber duckies you want, or you can just write the number of how many we would draw next. Look at these parrots. You got to count the parrots and find out what this missing number is. Okay, so I want you to pause the video and put those answers in, and then when you're ready to check your answer, unpause the video and come back to me and we'll check, okay? So pause now. So what did you get? Let's count these together. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you guess how many ducks are here? If we have 5, 6, how many can you guess is next? Yeah, 7. So what did you put for your answer? How many little duckies should we draw here? Yeah, 8. What about the parrots? What did you get for the parrots? Did you get 9 for that one? Yeah, so there's 9 there. Remember, if you're struggling with these, if you had a hard time getting 8 here and 9 here, you just need to work on counting up to 10. And if you already got those, if these were really easy for you, then you need to work on counting from 10 to 20. Okay? The next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do you think the next one's going to be? Yeah, 8. We're going to count by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's skip counting by 2. There's 8 there. So how many do you think is going to be here? We have 7, 8. What comes after 8? 9. So what number should we put at the end? 10. Good. Okay, let's look at this one. Pause the video. Well, I'm going to scoot this up actually. Here, we're going to do number 6 and number 7. So pause the video and tell what blank, how many stars should be here. And then look, this is just going to, it's not giving us pictures, it's giving us numbers. 3, 4, 5, what comes after 5? And I want you to practice writing these numbers because you need practice writing your numbers correctly. So pause the video and fill in the blanks now. Okay, did you write these numbers down? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what comes after 7? 8. So we have 7 here. 8. What comes after 8? 9. So this is 10. Good. So 9 comes between 8 and 10. Okay, what'd you get for this one? 3, 4, 5. What comes after 5? And make sure you're making your 6's in the correct direction. Okay, what about this last one? Take this off. So let me scroll up for you. So 5 blank 7, 8. What comes between 5 and 7? Pause the video and write your number down. Okay. What number comes between 5 and 7? 6. So we had 6 here and 6 there. Good. Okay, let's do a couple more. Okay, can you see all these? 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, you're going to pause the video for a minute, and you're going to do all 4 of these by yourself, and then you're going to unpause the video to check your answer, okay? So you have 6, 7, blank, 9. What comes between 7 and 9? 7, 8, 9. What comes after 9? Blank, 2, 3, 4. What comes before 2? Blank, 5, 6, 7. What comes before 5? Pause the video, and I want you to write these 4 numbers down and then check your answer. So pause now. All right, let's check our answers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, blank, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, blank, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you write down 8, 10, 1, and 4? If you didn't, if you missed any of those, you just need to practice counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you need to practice writing those, not just knowing how to count them. You have to be able to write 1 through 10. And you need to be able to recognize that number when you see it, just like recognizing your letters. You need to be able to recognize the number when you see it. So practice writing your numbers and practice reading your numbers. So reading them would be this. We can read what it says, just like letters on a page. Okay? Have some independent practice. So that just means you're going to work by yourself and you won't have me to check your answers with. But practice writing your numbers 1 through 10, recognizing your numbers when you see them printed, and being able to count them. Write them, read them, and count. If you've already got 1 to 10 down, start practicing going from 10 to 20. So after 10 is what? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's the next thing you need to learn. But make sure you get 1 through 10 down because that's going to help you with your schoolwork this week.